Well, just got back from my my useless trip to Costco, and I'm going to try to at least walk around the neighborhood a little bit. It's windy, but it's fairly warm. It looks like there's some rain blowing in. Those clouds don't look too promising. The parking lot is full of cars, so everybody's home from work. Let's go get some exercise. Schools are quiet, as are the streets, church, my friend's school bus. Oh, there's one brave soul, and she's got her face mask on. I just spoke to the lady with the scarf across her face, and she asked me if I was cold because she's got her parka on. Well, it's 16 degrees Celsius. How can I be cold? And I'm walking briskly. But I guess she's an older lady. We had a short little chat about COVID-19, and we're endeavoring to stay safe. I told her about Costco. And I'm just going to take my regular route around through the back of the school and across the field. It might be a bit swampy, but what the hell? There's nobody out. Everybody seems to be home, cars in driveways. Just the way I like it. Nobody out. All right. See you in the park. Some Canada geese over there hanging out. Their babies should be being born pretty soon, so I'm not going to go near them. They might have a nest nearby. And the usual gang of seagulls having a union meeting. Park looks a bit swampy, but not too bad. Another lady out getting some exercise. I'm parked here on my bench, hoping for the sun to show. And this is kind of my utopia. No people. But it's windy today. It's not too bad because the weather is quite balmy, but it is windy, so I'm going to shut this off and I'm going to take the long walk around and go back home and make spouse some lunch. A rare moment of sun. There it is, gone. And there's more rain clouds rolling in. I'm on my way home, so it's going to be a close one. So, I'm still quite far from home and the rain is starting, so I have the distinct feeling I'm going to get soaked. Anyway, no use running. It'll only get wetter. Of course, how wet can you be? Anyway, I'm going to put the phone away now to protect it, and we'll see you on the flip side. Hopefully, drier than this. So, I barely got in the door. I mean, it was raining and I did get wet, but I barely got in the door when the heavens split and it came bucketing down. So thank you, Mother Nature, for holding off. Much appreciated. I did hop right into the shower and get into my jammies. As I mentioned, or as if you've made it this far, you know the trip to Costco was a wash. I'm going to pitch up on the couch in my comfies and knit the day away, make some lunch for spouse, what little there is left. He's got some fruits and there's, sweet potatoes and things. On my walk, I saw 3 people. Yes, 3 people. One lady had her scarf over her face and her parka on, and she claimed it was because she was cold. Meanwhile, I was sweating buckets. And then another lady in the park who did have a mask on and who was walking, getting her constitutional as I was. And then another young fellow out as I was coming home, and we nodded to each other and said, you know, stay safe and whatnot. We're practicing social distancing in our neighborhood, but we're being friendly about it. So just want to say out there, stay safe. Stay safe, say your prayers, do what you have to. We'll get through this. We will. All the best. Till next time.